Okay, now you're on video 2 of Unit 4.2 Extension. Now you will be talking about perpendicular lines and its slopes. So from the first video, we talked about parallel lines, and we said parallel lines have the same slope. Well, what about the perpendicular lines? Okay, so let's look at the picture first. You know that perpendicular lines form a right angle, like it's shown in the picture. And there is actually another super cool concept. Well, it's super cool for math lovers. The concept is that perpendicular lines have this thing called negative reciprocal slopes. Let's write that first. It's negative reciprocal. Now, we know what a reciprocal is. It's like flipping fractions upside down. But, what the heck is a negative reciprocal slope? If you look at the picture here, you see in this picture, you have a slope here that's -2, and you have a slope here that's positive 1/2. So negative means you change the sign, and reciprocal is when you flip fraction. So it changes and flip. The sign changes and flip. Change in sign. Change in sign. And flip. That's how I remember negative reciprocal. So let's come up with some examples. If you have a negative reciprocal, or if you're finding negative reciprocal of -2/1, you switch the sign, so now it's positive, and you flip the fraction upside down, so the negative reciprocal will be 1/2. Another example, what's a negative reciprocal of 2/3? Well, flip it upside down, it's 3/2, and it's the different sign. So if this is positive, your negative reciprocal is going to be negative. Another example, if you have -1/5, what's the negative reciprocal? Well, it's going to be flipping upside down, so 5/1, and since it's negative, it's going to be positive. So negative reciprocal is when you change to the opposite sign and you flip fractions upside down. And perpendicular lines have negative reciprocals. Here you have slope of -2, which is the same as -2/1. And here you have slope that's 1/2, which is a negative reciprocal of -2/1. So they are perpendicular. Okay, now let's look at example 2. Example 2 is asking us, you have 3 lines, red, blue, green, and you need to find the 2 lines that are perpendicular out of 3, which is very similar to the first example. Again, we need to find the slope of each line. And obviously, well, maybe it is obvious to you by the picture that the blue and red lines are parallel. Maybe parallel, but you can assume that it's parallel. Actually, it may not be parallel, but by the picture, it looks parallel. But the green line is going to be perpendicular to either the red line or the blue line. Let's find the slope. Let's start with the blue line. The blue line, you're going to have to go down to, so it's -2, and you're going to move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the blue line has a slope of -2 because it went down to rise over run. I'll write that over here again. Vertical change and horizontal change. So you went down 2 and to the right 6, so -2/6. What about the red line? Well, from here to that point, you're going to go down 2, so that's -2 for the rise. And you're going to the right, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that one is -2/7. The red line and blue line do not have the same slope, so they are actually not parallel. Okay, now for the green line, I'm going to actually erase these just for you so that it looks very clear. From this point to the upper point, I'm going to go from the bottom to top. So you're going to go up. Sorry, I'm going to use green color for that. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7 up. So 7, and to the right, 2. So positive 2. And the slope of the green line is 7 over 2. Now, which one of these have a slope that are negative reciprocal? Well, you can see that these two have slopes that are negative reciprocal. 7 over 2, if you flip it upside down, is 2 over 7, and you switch the sign, so it's negative. So the green line and the red line are perpendicular lines because the slopes are negative reciprocals. And again, you may not see the color on your paper, so you can just number the lines. Maybe you can call this 1, 2, 3, and you can say a green, which is line 3, and the red line 2 are perpendicular lines because they have negative reciprocal slopes. That will be another way for you to describe or write your answer for this example. Okay, so this is the end of the video lessons. You are going to do the practice worksheet. Now, when you do the practice worksheet, make sure you use the notes. Use notes. So this notes that you just took right now, keep this with you and use this for you to help you do the practice worksheet. Okay? I will be checking to see if you guys are using these notes, so have these out with you. Okay.